Choose the right wax. Use hard wax for sensitive areas, less painful. Better grip on hair. Avoid soft wax as it can stick to the skin and cause irritation. Check wax temperature to prevent burns. Should feel warm, not hot. Prepping the skin. Exfoliate 24 hours before to remove dead skin and prevent ingrown hairs. Clean the area with an alcohol-free wipe to remove oil and sweat. Trim hair to about inch for better wax adhesion. Gather the right tools. Use a wooden spatula for smooth and precise wax application. Have wax strips if using soft wax and baby powder for moisture absorption. Keep a soothing post-wax lotion ready to calm the skin. Testing the wax temperature. Apply a small amount to your wrist to check the heat level. Let the wax sit for a few seconds. If it's too hot, let it cool slightly. Stir wax before application for even consistency. Applying the wax properly. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth for better adhesion. Use a thick enough layer for easy removal to thin equals painful removal. Work in small sections to avoid excessive pain and ensure precision. Perfecting the pulling technique. Hold skin taut to reduce pain and ensure smooth hair removal. Pull wax off in one quick motion against hair growth parallel to the skin. Avoid pulling upwards, this increases discomfort and breakage. Managing pain effectively. Take a deep breath before each pull to minimize discomfort. Use numbing cream or ice pack before waxing for extra pain relief. Wax after a warm shower to soften hair and open pores. Ingrown hair prevention. Apply an exfoliating scrub to -3 days after waxing. Use tea tree oil or witch hazel to keep skin clear. Avoid tight clothing for at least 24 hours post-wax. Dealing with wax residue. Use coconut oil or baby oil to remove leftover wax. Avoid scrubbing harshly, let the oil dissolve the wax. Use a warm washcloth to wipe off residue gently. Calming post-wax redness and irritation. Apply aloe vera gel or fragrance-free moisturizer. Avoid touching or scratching the area to prevent irritation. Stay away from hot baths and saunas for 24 hours. Avoiding common waxing mistakes. Don't wax over the same area more than twice, causes irritation. Never wax on broken, irritated, or sunburned skin. Avoid pulling wax too slowly, this increases pain and inefficiency. Waxing hard to reach areas. Use a mirror for better visibility. Try different positions to access difficult spots. Consider trimming longer hair in tricky areas before waxing. Aftercare for smooth skin. Moisturize daily to keep skin soft. Avoid perfumed lotions or alcohol-based products. Drink plenty of water to keep skin hydrated and healthy. How often to wax? Wax every 4-6 weeks to maintain smoothness. Don't shave in between, this disrupts hair growth cycles. Regular waxing reduces hair thickness over time. Troubleshooting issues. If you get bumps, apply a cold compress and hydrocortisone cream. If skin is overly sensitive, try switching to hypoallergenic wax. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.